Alright, we just got level 26 and we took on another quest on the way back. Dude, look at that giant ass wolf, man. No. It's not hitting too crazy. I think we got it. Maybe these will drop pretty good loot. I don't know. Oh shit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's worth 6 silver. Nice. This is gonna be my spot for real though. Now I'm trying to freaking, my boots are done. This ain't good. Once we run out of food, I think we'll find something. There's a certain one of these that I need to do for my quest. Just the magic ones, I can't freaking find it. I found like 2 of them so far, but I need 6 of them, so maybe they respawned it already. I don't know, man. I'm new to this area. No, that's not one. Come on, where's one? Come on. Last time it was right here, it was that one, I think. Oh no. Come on, is it any of these ones? No. It was like right there. Whatever, we'll get some experience real quick. Man, I'm new to this. What is this called? Sunder armor. Sunder armor. Sunder the target's armor. Reduce it by 90%. Sunder armor causes high amount of threat. Can be applied up to 5 times. Nice. Shit, actually freaking does work. with Heroic Strike. That's just not even that good. Reduce the armor by that much? That's fucking awesome. L27, yeah, this is where it's at, and I can taking these out pretty good. Freaking, this is gonna be my new training spot for sure. I don't know how good their loot is. Actually, their loot's actually not that better than anywhere else I've been. Pretty close fights, but as long as I got food and I'm only fighting one silver and 24 copper, that's freaking good. You need to find one that's called Weaver or some shit like that. Weavers. I just got here and I found 2 of them, but now I'm freaking looking for them. I can't find them. Come on. Oh fuck. This was level 29. We're fucked. Yeah, you got me for sure. Oh, 2 of them. We're fucked. Let's see if we can run out of here. Nope. We're done. We're done, dude. We're done, dude. How do we get out of there? No, he got me. How am I outrunning these wolves, though? Alright, that's cool enough for now. We'll come back to this shit some other time. Get this quest done real quick. Damn, we just found a freaking new flight. Pole arm has increased to 128. That's nice. there it is. Sweet. Boom, I'll go get this quest done real quick. Yeah, let's get it.
Hey there. Be careful.
Alright, this code is so cool. Now I can fly to this spot. Nice. Yeah, at this level I was able to take those out. Probably any time before this I wasn't able to do that. Yeah, let's go. See what this guy says up here. Damn, that freaking clock tower looks swig. Oh, good to see that you're back, messenger. Shall I inform Marshall that the night watch is on its way from Darkshire? By the light, the Stormwind army retreated from Westfall, and the guard no longer protects Darkshire? There is some treachery abound. How could this be? Oh, I thought I reward your service, warrior. Here's some coin. Now, excuse me, I have something to amiss in Stormwind, and I must get to the bottom of it. Alright, reputation is now 11. Wow, let's check out what that shit is. Reputation. Thought I could see that shit somewhere. Oh, there it is, reputation. Alright, that'll